This tree fell on our house, and when it happened, I was in the other room. My wife started screaming and I ran down the hall, and the worst thing was opening that door and not knowing what I was going to find. When I opened the door and everyone was okay, it didn't matter that there was a hole in our roof. That's perspective. The next day they got the tree off our house and told us it would take about 2 months to get our house repaired. The same day we learned about the tornadoes in Tennessee where people lost their entire house. Somehow 2 months didn't matter anymore. That's perspective. When life gives you a tree on your house, you end up with a good workout, or at least some firewood, and that's perspective. Sometimes you get a little stuck. Don't worry about it. Keep swinging. You'll get through.